In this video, let's see how to install Mercedes wheel spacers step by step.
A great way to improve the performance and appearance of your Mercedes E-Class is by installing Mercedes wheel spacers. However, it is important to choose the right type of spacers and ensure that they are installed correctly to avoid any negative effect. Let's take a look at the proper installation steps. Using a cross wrench, loosen the stock bolts in a diagonal sequence, but do not remove them completely. Using jacks to support each end of the car is a better safety measure. Use a cross wrench to remove the stock bolt. Install the wheel hanger. To assist in removing the wheel hub, remove the wheel of the hub and set it to the side. Look at the wheel hub assembly for rust. You can use brake cleaner to remove them. Remove any rust and dirt from the wheel hub with a rag. Widen the entire surface to ensure it is smooth, because all of that surface may cause the wheel spacer to not fit perfectly with the hub. Install the BONOSS lightweight plus Mercedes E-Class wheel spacers. Then install the wheel hanger. A key advantage of BONOSS Mercedes E-Class wheel spacers is the lightweight plus feature. The benefits of the lightweight plus design are that the hollow design is further optimized based on traditional wheel spacers. It is an effective design that can reduce weight and energy consumption and improve handling while ensuring safety and reliability. In addition, high-precision Mercedes E-Class wheel spacers provide high surface integrity, effectively guarantee safety, stability, and reliability, and ensure a smooth installation experience. Install the rim and then install the standing wheel bolts. Use a torque wrench to tighten them on the wheel. Make sure they are secure. Slowly lower the car until the tires fully touch the ground, and remove the jack. Use a torque wrench to tighten the standing wheel bolt to a specific torque. Always tighten them in a diagonal sequence. This will ensure that the standing wheel bolts work. The same operation is done for the remaining wheels. After installing the Mercedes E-Class wheel spacers, drive slowly back and forth, ensuring the rims are turned a few times. BONOSS recommends checking the use of the wheel spacers every 6 months and checking the vehicle's operation to ensure safe driving.
Once again, my name is Grace. If you like our videos, please give us a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching and have a great day.